Hi there, I'm Sharon Vindreen. I am founder and CEO of PTPA Media, and this year marks over a decade of product testing for us. We've tested thousands of products, we've shared feedback from thousands of families, and we have truly impacted the way consumers make their purchasing decisions. By simply placing our parent-tested, parent-approved certification on a product's package, a brand can gain instant credibility as an award-winning product. It now becomes clear to a mom why she should buy your product over that of the competition. We also just so happen to be one of the most recognized consumer certification programs in the marketplace. In fact, from independent research, moms have told us that over 54% of them are more likely to purchase a product with our seal of approval on it. So, with product packaging being that final frontier, moms cannot escape it. They can skip your marketing, but they can't skip your packaging. Why not leverage the credibility we have built with the parent-tested, parent-approved seal of approval, add it to your packaging, and stand out from your competition?